In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Paystack Storefront so that you can start selling your digital products in Nigeria or even physical products to your Nigerian, African, or global customers. So, if you want to know how to sell digital products in Nigeria or global or physical products also, then Paystack Storefront is what you need and you can set it up all for free. If you're ready, then let's get started. So the first thing is that you want to log into your Paystack account, of course. If you don't have a Paystack account, then check the link in the video description. I already recorded a video on how to create a free Paystack account for yourself. That video is also currently displayed on your screen. So once you get your account ready and your account is live, all you need to do is to log into your dashboard, as you can see here. And then the first thing you want to do is that you want to come to the left options here and you want to come look for Storefront. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down here. Where are you? Okay, so this is my Storefront. So you want to just click on Storefront. Alright, once you do that, you're going to come down here. As you can see that this account, I don't have any store already created before now. So you can see here that I have new Storefront option here. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so once I do that, it's going to ask me for the name of my store. I'm just going to choose Circles Digital and then my currency. Now I'm going to leave my currency in Nigerian Naira. Okay, and then for my store link, I'm just going to leave it the way it is here. It's okay for me. You can also change it if you like, but I think I'm okay with this. So I'm going to click on create. Okay, so once I do that, the next thing I want to do is I want to come to this new product tab here and I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here it's asking for the name of my product. Now the product I want to sell using this demonstration is an ebook, so it's a digital product. Of course, you can also sell physical products, but I want to use a digital product for demonstration here. So I'm going to just come here and type in the name of my book, Email Marketing Mastery. So I'm going to give the book a description, Learn Email Marketing like a pro. Okay, I'm just going to do that. So here, what is the price for my ebook? I'm going to call it 1,000 Naira. Okay, quantity, of course, it is a digital product, so the quantity obviously is going to be unlimited. But if you were selling a physical product, you could, highlight the limited and then mention how many of the quantity of your product that you have in stock. But mine is a digital product, so it's going to be unlimited. And because it's a digital product, I'm going to leave this option here off. You can see here it says this product contains one or more physical goods. If that is the case, I could have toggled on this particular toggle, but because it's a digital product, I'm going to switch it off. Make sure you do that. All right, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on next. So here I can add up to 6 high quality images, GIFs and videos to make this variant more appealing to customers. So I'm going to be adding, let's say, just 1 or 2 images as a demonstration. You can add up to 6, as you can see. So I'm just going to come to this add new media and then I'll go to my computer and look for my image. Okay, so this is the image I want to use. I'm going to double click on that and then I'm going to wait for it. Okay, so you can see it here. So like I said, you can add 5 more images if you like, but because this is an ebook, I may not need that amount of images, to convince my buyers. So I think I'm okay with 1. I'm just going to save that. All right, so once it takes me to this point, what I want to do right now is to customize my my shop so it looks appealing. So what I want to do here is that I will come to customize Storefront here. Got it. Okay, so here I can change the color if I like. You can see here, you can change the colors, and if you want your own custom color, just come to this plus icon and then you can use this to change your colors or pick a color code from anywhere you want to pick it from. So I'm just going to be going with this one. I think I'm okay with this. All right, once that is done, I'm going to come here. Okay, as you can see here, this is my shareable link. This is the link I'm going to be using to market my ebook. If I like, I can edit it, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. Okay, welcome message. So I want to add a welcome message here. So I'm just going to say welcome to Circles Digital. Okay, so you can just put in whatever it is you want to put to welcome people to your store. So I'm just going to leave this for the sake of demonstration. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so you want to tell people about your business, so you can just say welcome here. Okay, so welcome here, we sell digital products. Okay, you should be able to give in a better, about us for your own business. So once I'm done with that, all right, so I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so here talks about contact. You can add in your email, you can add in your WhatsApp number for your customers to get in touch with you. So if you want to do that, just click on edit. Okay, so here I can add my WhatsApp number. If you have another phone number, you can add it, and if it's the same, you can repeat it. And here you can change your email if you want to do that. So once you're good with your contact information, just click on save. All right, so you can see them. If you want to delete any of them at any time, you can always come here to delete it. So here, social media, you can add your social media handles. So if you're on Instagram, if you're on Facebook, if you're on Twitter, you can add your handles here. And then once you do that, you can just click on save. Okay, so once you're done with that, I think we are good. So here we have discount code. If you want to add discount code so that your customers can buy at a discounted price, you can also do that. Let's click on it and see what it has here. So if you want to add in a new code, just come to this new discount code. Okay, what's your discount code? I can just say new. Okay, that's okay for me. Fixed amount, Naira. Here are your preferences. You can set minimum order amount and the other ones you can see. So here it's explaining the minimum order amount for a customer to claim this discount. If you want your customers to have made a kind of a purchase or an amount of purchase before they can use the code, that is where you're going to set this up. And then for this second one, say set maximum use per customer, total number of times a customer can use this discount code. So if you want them to use it only once, you can set it up. If you want them to use it more than once, you can always set that up. And then here set maximum number of claims, here set validity period. So if you just click on any of them, you'll be able to set up this discount code. So if you want to do that, you can always do that at your own free time, but I don't want to set any discount code for now, so I'm going to disable that. For delivery, of course, it's an ebook, it's a digital product, so I may not need to set any delivery. But if you're selling a physical product, of course, you might want to put in delivery here. But this is a digital product, so I'm not going to be setting up delivery. And then after purchase, if you want a redirect so that after purchase they can be redirected maybe to your website or to your WhatsApp contact, whatever, you can always do that. So if you click on edit, you can always add your redirect link after payment, and then you can always add your your success message. But okay, for me, I'm just going to put in my website here. It's not compulsory anyways. Okay, so once you do that, just click on save and you're good to go. All right, so that has been done. Okay, so now I think I'm okay with my storefront. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to preview this storefront to see what it's going to look like when my customers click on my link. So if I click on preview, okay, so you can see what this look like now. Okay, so you can see about us here. So if my customer click on this, and then they can go ahead, they can add to bag, and then they can make payment, they can check out, put in their information, and then they can pay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, so let's come back here. So now that your storefront has been successfully created, all you need to do is just to come here and copy this link, and then you can use the link to market your product, either running ads, selling on social media, or whatever marketing option that you want to use. So this is how to set up your Paystack storefront to start selling your digital product and your physical product online. If you want more Paystack or marketing information like this, of course, check out my videos. I have a couple of videos that will be of interest to you. If I gave you value in this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.